Hello, I am Jared Burrell. I am in GLG 110 with Professor Michelle, and I did watch the documentary called Pulse. Before I ever watched Pulse, I always knew that water was connected to anything and everything, and this video really brought that out even more. I didn't do a presentation, I just didn't think it would give it justice, so I'm recording my notes. Throughout this whole video, it really gave me so much more insight to how the world works and how water gets here and there and where water really comes from. And it just shows how much nature can adapt and react and just be like a survivalist in a sense when it shouldn't be. You know, nature has always been here. We were the ones naturally who were created by nature in a sense. Water created us. We grew up and lived throughout nature, and here we are destroying it. And that's how that video really came to me, and that's, I guess, what my aha moment was. Like, nature created us and we're destroying it. And we're not doing anything to try and fix that. Throughout the video, they try and give positives and negatives, and there's both here and there, but the negatives outweigh the goods, where there's droughts and we're just taking all the water, we're not giving any back. And sure, those droughts, there's places that survive, but that shouldn't ever happen. That shouldn't even be there in the first place. And we need to be more wary of what we do, how we use water, and we just need to be able to understand that water is the most precious thing in the world. And that's the honest to God truth. There's nothing more precious than water right now. And I'm afraid if we keep letting this go on, we won't be able to stop it. And this whole module has really just changed my outlook on water and how precious water is to us, and how if we don't take this seriously, we might not even be here if we don't. And it needs to start with these big name companies. It needs to start with us, and it also needs to start with nature too, because we take advantage of it. We don't go outside enough. We don't do this, we don't do that, and we just simply don't care. And again, if we keep not caring, then this world will just come to an end.